Hello. Do you have a lot of leaks going on with your drip irrigation system at your yard? My name's Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Right now, through the month of August, the end of August, we're going to offer a sale where we'll replace all your drip in the front yard or in your backyard for $9.95. Now, what this includes is we're going to replace all the poly lines, all the emitters, everything that, that old poly line gets brittle and broken over many years, and sometimes it just needs to be replaced. This is a great time to get it replaced because we're offering this sale. We'll include up to 200 feet of line for a front yard or for a backyard to just completely replace it, the emitters, the spaghetti, everything. And this will all be done for $9.95. If you have any other questions, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Just contact us at azlawns.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube page and Facebook page at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.